Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, we will be discussing about how to conduct effective briefings. Daily briefings play a crucial role in the success of every team. But what are the ways to make it effective? Let's get enlightened. Number 1, punctuality. The first golden rule to conduct effective briefings is punctuality. Set up a standard time and location for your daily briefings and ensure that your team is informed about the same. You must be present at least 10 minutes prior to that time and ensure that you monitor everyone's attendance. If you may choose to slightly alter the time and the location, ensure that your team is well informed ahead of time. Number 2, preparation. Preparation is the key behind the effectiveness of any briefing every time. Break down your briefing into 3 parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. In order to keep your briefing precise and effective, you need to maintain a time limit of maximum 20 minutes. Read and be aware of the information that your organization provides to you as an information docket. The idea is to articulate the same information to your team in your own words and style, rather than just blindly reading it out of the docket, except for the financial figures. Number 3, how to begin. When commencing your briefings, ensure to have high energy, positive attitude, and a purpose on your mind. Don't expect your teams to showcase the right attributes at work if you don't transmit it to them. Talk about their achievements from yesterday or the previous week. Give them a quick brief on 3 areas to focus on and continue to talk about the same for over a week's period. Ideally, introduction phase should not exceed more than 3 minutes. Number 4, the body. As you've already familiarized yourself with the information to be shared, start to articulate it in your own words. You may also choose to add real-life examples to make your content easy to relate to. Stick to the topic of the day and avoid any unnecessary deviations. Talk about your monthly goals, current figures to know where you stand, and set targets for the day as well. Feel free to do a quick refresher on any standard operating procedure in order to re-energize it with your team so that they can achieve goals more easily. Ensure you continue to maintain the team's focus on the 3 areas that you spoke about during the introduction phase. This phase of the body should not exceed more than 12 minutes. Number 5, conclusion. Keep at least 5 minutes to conclude your briefings. Ask questions to your team in accordance to the topic discussed. Also give opportunity to each participant to pose their questions and clarify any doubts should there be one. Once done, ensure that you make a habit to recognize at least one team member in each briefing for his or her efforts in recent times. This will not only boost the morale of the person, but will also create a very healthy competition in your team. Quick tips on effective briefings. Number 1, change your briefing location at least once a week to bring freshness to your team. You can choose to add themes to your briefing during different days of the week. For example, playing a motivational video on every Monday, or including a team building activity on every Friday. This will just not break the monotony, but will also bring a new excitement in your team as they look forward to your daily briefings. Maintain a dashboard in your work area that displays each member's performance against goals. Talk about these scores during each briefing, and this will itself drive performance and excellence. Break down monthly goals into daily targets and assign it to your team during daily briefings. Keep a check on the same before the team finishes their day. This will ensure your team achieving your goals on a swifter basis. It is a great practice to use quotes during your sessions as they tend to leave a more lasting, insightful impact. Ensure that the quote that has been shared has a complete relevance to the topic of the day. Another good practice is to maintain a notebook to jot down points throughout the day and to use it as a reference tool while conducting briefings. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you will be benefited through this little session.